Copying an Allmatic Rolling Code Remote Control to a Multikoo Slide 433. Step 1. Reset the Multikoo Slide 433 Remote Control. Simultaneously press button 1 and 2 on the Multikoo Slide until the LED flashes. While holding down button 1, press button 2 3 times. When the LED flashes, release the buttons of the Multikoo Slide. The remote control is reset. Step 2. Copy an Allmatic Rolling Code Remote Control. Press and hold down the button on the original remote control. Immediately afterwards, press the button on the Multikoo Slide 433. Hold down both buttons until the LED on the new remote control lights up steadily. There is now an Allmatic compatible rolling code on each button of the Multikoo Slide, and it is ready to be memorized. During memorization, you will be asked to press the hidden key. Use a pin or paperclip as in the picture. The position of the hidden button varies depending on the model. Step 3. A. Remote storage of the duplicate Multikoo Slide without intervening on the control unit. Do not use this procedure if there are several neighboring automations controlled by the same remote control. Store it directly on the receiver as explained below. Stand near the control unit. Take the original Allmatic remote control and press the hidden key with a paperclip. Take the previously copied Multikoo Slide remote control and press the button to be memorized. Your new Multikoo Slide is memorized and ready to use. Step 3B. Manual memorization of the duplicate Multikoo Slide on an Allmatic receiver. Press the memorization key on the control unit. Press the button of the Multikoo Slide you want to store. The Multikoo Slide has been memorized and is ready to operate.